AI money hacks. Unlocking wealth in the digital age. Imagine this. You're sipping coffee while an invisible genius works round the clock to boost your income, trim your expenses, and build your wealth effortlessly. Too good to be true? Not anymore. Welcome to the fascinating world of AI-powered financial growth, where algorithms are your new money maestros. But here's the kicker. Did you know most people are leaving thousands on the table simply because they don't use AI tools? That's like finding a treasure map and never bothering to dig. From machine learning investment wizards to spending optimization tools, artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of money management. Imagine AI tracking every dollar, nudging you to save more, and even predicting when your favorite store will have its next sale. Want to outsmart the stock market? AI has your back, analyzing trends faster than any human could dream of. Want to budget without the headache? Done. It's like having a financial superhero who never sleeps. Now, here's the juicy part. AI doesn't just help you save, it helps you grow. From spotting hidden investment gems to crafting long-term wealth strategies, these cutting-edge tools are the ultimate cheat code to financial freedom. But why does it matter? Because in a world of economic chaos, knowing your money is growing steadily can bring unmatched peace of mind. Stay tuned as we unravel the most effective, jaw-dropping ways to let AI take the wheel and revolutionize your finances. Welcome to Money AI Secrets, where we uncover the easiest, tech-driven ways for everyday people to earn, save, and grow their money. Click the link in the description below to find more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. Step 1. Unlock wealth with AI investment platforms. Imagine this. You wake up to find your investments growing overnight, without lifting a finger. Sounds like magic, right? Nope. It's just the power of AI-driven investment platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront. These digital wizards are flipping the script on old-school investing, turning complicated portfolios into autopilot money machines. Here's the twist. These platforms don't just manage your investments, they mastermind them. Using cutting-edge algorithms, they analyze your goals, risk tolerance, and market trends to create the perfect portfolio for you. No spreadsheets, no second-guessing, just seamless, data-driven growth. Betterment and Wealthfront do something your average financial advisor can't. They're always awake. Their AI tracks the market 24/7, rebalancing your portfolio whenever needed. Stock dip? Handled. Market surge? Optimized. It's like having a Wall Street pro on caffeine, minus the high fees. Speaking of fees, traditional advisors can drain your earnings faster than a leaky bucket. But with these AI tools, you'll pay minimal management fees, leaving more of your hard-earned cash to grow. And don't worry if you're not a financial whiz. Their user-friendly interfaces make navigating your wealth a breeze. Here's the deal. AI investment platforms aren't just convenient, they're empowering. They take the fear and guesswork out of investing, letting anyone from rookies to pros unlock their financial potential. Ready to make your money work smarter, not harder? Step into the future of wealth building today. Step 2. Master your money with AI budgeting tools. Here's a thought experiment. What if you could see exactly where your money vanishes each month, and then make it work for you instead? Enter AI budgeting tools like Mint and YNAB. You need a budget. The digital detectives of your financial life. These apps take your messy spending habits and turn them into a masterpiece of savings and control. But wait, there's more. These aren't just boring trackers, they're AI-powered geniuses. Imagine Mint acting like a savvy accountant, categorizing your expenses and exposing spending leaks you didn't even know existed. Or picture YNAB as your personal coach, showing you how to whip your budget into shape and reach financial goals you thought were out of reach. Here's the kicker. AI doesn't just track your cash flow, it analyzes it. Mint and YNAB dive deep into your spending habits, flagging unnecessary subscriptions or bloated expenses. Ever wonder why your coffee habit feels so expensive? These tools show you the receipts, literally. Then, they offer actionable insights to help you save smarter. But it doesn't stop there. With goal-setting features baked in, these apps transform financial chores into motivational milestones. Whether you're saving for that dream vacation, crushing debt, or building an emergency fund, AI keeps you on track and celebrates every small win. The result? More money in your pocket and less financial stress. Say goodbye to chaotic spreadsheets and hello to effortless financial mastery. With Mint and YNAB, your wallet just got a whole lot smarter. Step 3. Unlock AI-powered side hustle gold. Here's a question. What if your hidden talents could rake in cash while you sleep? Or better yet, while you chase your dreams. Meet AI-driven platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, your gateway to the ultimate side hustle revolution. These digital hubs are connecting everyday skills with extraordinary income potential, redefining the gig economy for creators, doers, and dreamers. Imagine this. AI matches your unique talents. Whether you're a designer, writer, coder, or marketing whiz, with clients who are actively searching for you. No guesswork, no endless scrolling. Just profitable opportunities delivered right to your dashboard. But wait, it gets better. These platforms don't just connect you with gigs, they optimize your time. Thanks to AI-powered trend analysis, they recommend high-demand services based on market insights. Translation? You spend less time hunting for jobs and more time doing what you love, while getting paid. Let's talk perks. Beyond the obvious cash flow, these platforms empower you to explore your passions, build a portfolio, or even kickstart a full-time freelance career. Side hustle, passion project, or the first step toward financial freedom. Call it what you want. The result is the same. More income, more flexibility, and a chance to showcase your brilliance. Whether you're looking to crush debt, save for a dream vacation, or finally afford that gadget you've been eyeing, side hustles powered by AI are the modern-day treasure map. Grab your skills, let AI do the matchmaking, and watch your hustle turn into gold. Step 4. Unlock effortless wealth with AI-driven passive income. Imagine this. Your money is out there working for you, growing, compounding, and building your wealth, all while you're sipping coffee or binge-watching your favorite show. Sounds dreamy, right? Meet AI-powered passive income platforms like Fundrise, where next-level tech meets smart investing in real estate. Here's the kicker. You don't need a billionaire's bank account to break into lucrative real estate deals. Platforms like Fundrise use the power of real estate crowdfunding, pooling funds from investors like you to unlock high-value opportunities once reserved for the ultra-rich. But what makes Fundrise a game-changer? 2 words: artificial intelligence. Its cutting-edge algorithms analyze market trends, property data, and economic indicators to identify the most promising real estate projects. Think of it as having a team of expert analysts who never sleep, ensuring your investments are primed for success. And the best part? It's completely hands-off. Once you've made your investment, the platform handles everything: property management, market adjustments, and performance tracking. You sit back while your wealth grows steadily in the background. No spreadsheets, no phone calls, just effortless income. Why is this revolutionary? Because passive income isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity in today's world. Diversifying your income streams through AI-driven tools like Fundrise offers financial security, peace of mind, and the freedom to focus on what matters most. Whether you're saving for retirement, building wealth, or creating a financial safety net, platforms like Fundrise prove that earning doesn't have to mean grinding. Embrace the future of wealth building with AI, and watch your bank account thank you. Step 5. Dominate e-commerce with AI-powered dropshipping. Imagine this. A world where your online store practically runs itself, predicting customer needs, managing inventory, and boosting profits, all while you focus on your next big idea. Sound futuristic? Nope. It's happening now with AI-powered e-commerce platforms like Shopify, the ultimate game-changer in dropshipping. Here's the twist. AI isn't just a helpful tool, it's your secret weapon. Shopify leverages cutting-edge algorithms to deliver personalized product recommendations, turning casual browsers into loyal buyers. This isn't just about improving customer experience. It's about skyrocketing your conversion rates and sales. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. AI takes on the heavy lifting by optimizing your inventory management and pricing strategies. Imagine having a system that predicts demand before it happens, ensuring you're always stocked with what customers crave, without the hassle of overstocking. And with dynamic pricing, your store adjusts rates in real time based on market trends and competitor data, keeping you one step ahead of the game. Thinking about starting a side hustle? Dropshipping powered by AI is the perfect low-risk, high-reward opportunity. You don't even need to handle inventory. Just focus on marketing and customer engagement while the AI handles the back-end magic. This is more than selling products. It's about creating a seamless, profitable business model fueled by technology. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or dipping your toes into e-commerce, AI transforms your vision into a money-making reality. Welcome to the future of online business. Step 6. Supercharge your financial smarts with AI-powered education. Imagine unlocking the secrets of money mastery without drowning in jargon-filled textbooks or expensive seminars. Sounds impossible? Not with AI-driven learning platforms like Coursera and Khan Academy, which are reshaping how we master the art of finance. Here's the twist. These platforms don't just teach you finance, they customize the learning experience to fit you. Whether you're decoding budgeting basics or diving into advanced investing, AI tailors courses to match your skill level, interests, and pace. It's like having a financial mentor who knows exactly what you need to succeed. But that's not all. AI algorithms track your progress in real time, suggesting targeted courses and resources to fill knowledge gaps or build on your strengths. Struggling with stock market strategies? AI delivers just the right lesson to clear the fog. Excelling in savings techniques? Get pushed toward the next level of expertise. It's personalized education at its finest. Why does this matter? Because knowledge isn't just power, it's financial freedom. In a world of rapid economic changes and complex financial tools, staying informed is your ultimate advantage. By tapping into AI-powered platforms, you gain access to cutting-edge financial insights and strategies designed to keep you ahead of the curve. Whether you're setting up an emergency fund, planning for retirement, or scaling your investments, these resources empower you to make smarter, bolder financial moves. Dive in and watch your confidence and your wealth grow. Unlock your financial future with AI power. Let's recap. In this video, we uncovered how AI-driven tools can transform your financial life, from boosting income to building wealth with zero hassle. First, we explored AI-powered investment platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront, your personal money managers that optimize portfolios and automate wealth growth like pros. Next, we dived into budgeting and saving tools such as Mint and YNAB, which analyze your spending habits and help you crush your financial goals $1 at a time. But wait, it doesn't stop there. We revealed how platforms like Fiverr and Upwork open doors to lucrative AI-powered side hustles, allowing you to monetize your skills without limits. For the dreamers of passive income, we spotlighted Fundrise, a platform that uses AI to deliver hands-free real estate investment opportunities. Your money grows while you relax. Finally, we explored the e-commerce frontier with Shopify, where AI elevates dropshipping by optimizing inventory and boosting sales through personalized recommendations. So why does this matter? Because these AI strategies aren't just tools, they're your ticket to financial freedom. Whether you want to save smarter, earn extra income, or invest like a pro, these AI-powered solutions make it easy, effective, and accessible. The key takeaway? The future of finance is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Start small, explore the tools, and watch as your financial journey takes flight. The possibilities are endless, and your empowered future starts now. Click the link in the description below to find more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. Don't miss out on mastering your money with AI. Hit subscribe and smash that like button to stay ahead in your journey to financial freedom. See you in the next video.